Dear students, I am Professor V.R. Shilwant, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, Karnataka. In this video lecture, you are going to learn the overheating of rotor in an alternator due to unbalanced loading of stator. When alternator terminals are connected to the balanced load, only the positive sequence currents flow in the stator winding. Due to this positive sequence current, the stator winding produces rotating magnetic field which rotates at synchronous speed. Since the rotor of alternator also rotates at synchronous speed, the relative speed between stator produced rotating magnetic field and the rotor is zero. Therefore, no EMF will be induced in the rotor winding because of the stator produced magnetic field. If load connected to the alternator's terminals get unbalanced, in that case, along with positive sequence currents in the stator, negative sequence currents also start to flow. Due to negative sequence currents through the stator winding produces negative sequence field also. The negative sequence field rotates at synchronous speed in the direction opposite to that of positive sequence field. Since the direction of rotation of rotor and the direction of rotation of negative sequence field are opposite to each other, the relative speed between them is 2 times the synchronous speed. Because of this relative speed, EMF gets induced in the field winding placed on rotor. The frequency of EMF so induced in the rotor winding, that is excitation winding, is 2 times the frequency of stator EMF. This EMF circulates current in the excitation winding, because of which I square R losses occur in the field winding. Not only that, the hysteresis losses and the eddy current losses also appear. It is because of these 3 losses the rotor gets overheated.